Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super useful topic: how to view cookies on your Android phone in 2025. If you're into online privacy or just want to understand what websites are tracking, this quick guide is for you. Cookies are small bits of data that sites use to remember your login details, preferences, and browsing history, but it's always smart to keep an eye on them for security reasons. Let's dive right in. First, grab your Android phone and open the Google Chrome browser. It's the most common one, but the steps are similar for others like Firefox. Start by tapping the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will bring up a drop-down menu. Go ahead and select Settings from the list. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find Privacy and Security. Tap on that, and then look for Site Settings or Cookies and Site Data. In 2025, Android interfaces might have slight updates, so if it's named differently, like Manage Website Data, that's probably it. Tap on it to proceed. Now, you'll see options to view your cookies. Hit See All Cookies and Site Data to get a full list. Here, you can browse through the websites that have stored cookies on your device, along with details like how much space they're using. It's straightforward and helps you stay in control. A quick tip: while you're here, you might want to delete any cookies from sites you don't trust to protect your privacy. Remember, clearing cookies can log you out of accounts, so use this feature wisely. And there you have it. That's how you view cookies on your Android phone in 2025. It's a simple process that empowers you to manage your digital footprint. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.